Hello, respected advocates. This is Sam from Honey Software Company, Advocate Diary and Case Management. I am recording this demo in English for one of our advocates' request. So let me tell you what we are going to demo. This is a very small, small video, which will explain you guys how to use the upload and attachment documents process within Advocate Diary system. So earlier advocate diary, you all know you can manage clients, cases, courts, schedules, etc. Now what you can do is you can attach any document to any of your entity. When I say entity, that means entity can be court, case, or client, or any general document or file. So uh, what you can do is, for example, let's say this is one row, one case actually. So we have provided these buttons in front of all the cases, all the clients and all the codes. Let me show you. It was because of session inactivity, it was locked down. So you can see here, this is the, I'm showing you the list of clients. So these are the clients, and you can see the button in front of all the clients. So if you click on upload, attach or document, it will automatically select that client from this drop down if you see properly. And you can upload any document of your choice. It can be a PDF, it can be a text, it can be anything, any text or any file. There is no restriction absolutely except the exe file. And you need to name it, for example, Aadhaar card or something, whatever you want actually, whatever that document is related to, and click on submit and save changes. It will save the changes immediately on our cloud server, which is secured. So they will not be accessible without your permission. So you see, I have just uploaded this document, and you can anytime download. Once you upload the soft copy, you have to just take the picture or make the soft copy scan and upload it here. That's it. You can anytime delete it. You can anytime download it from our cloud server. So even if that hard copy is not with you in lifetime, whenever your subscription is with us, you can download this document without any hassle and with all the security measures. So no need to worry. And in one shot, you can upload any number of documents. You can see I am trying to upload 5 documents. Let me upload 5 different documents. These are the dummy documents. Don't worry about it. Actually, I will. Oh, I am trying to upload. Let me upload 3 only and name it doc 1, doc 2, doc 3, and I'm clicking on submit and save changes. So it will upload these 3 documents and it will say okay, 3 documents are submitted, uploaded, and they are saved on the server. Now if you see, you come here, you can see, you see doc 1, doc 2, doc 3, all the images are here, all the documents are here, and you can download it. Let's say after 1 year or 2 year, if somebody asks you the physical file or document of any particular case, you need to go through your files, and you need to find out. Maybe your secretary or your assistant will help you because of shortage of time or helping you, but this is not the case here. You just need to go and select the case and select the case name from here drop down, and it will pull the documents immediately. You see, now I will select the case 002. It will pull all the documents and show me here. All the documents have names. So it's very simple for you to search which case file you are looking or which client document you are looking for. It's very simple. Like if I want to search for Chinmay, there are no documents related to this client because I have not uploaded. I will click on add more docs. I will select any file and name it whatever doc here, for example PAN card or something, and I will just click on submit and save changes. Just a minute, it is uploading on a secured cloud server. My internet is little slow actually. Try some other small image. Let me try this. Okay, this is uploaded. document name, this is any actress or whatever. Okay, it is a PAN card, actress sample. I will click on submit and save changes. Okay, some problem. Let me remove and add one more time. This is Sonam, actress. Okay, now it is saving. It says one document uploaded, and look, I have saved for client Chinmay. Okay, now what I will do is I will just go here on this button, and you see Chinmay has one document which contains the you see I'm on code 2 now. I am clicking on Chinmay and it will show that document. This is so beautiful and very simple application which you can use in daily life, and believe me, this feature is supposed to be used by all our advocates, and they will like it. I'm very sure, because it will lower down your headache. We will also provide the search feature. We have not implemented till date, but I'm thought of providing this simple thing, because one client or one case can have, it's very simple to remember that. Okay, case number 1234, just go to case drop down and select case 1234. That's it. You will find all the document related to that case. So it's very simple. Now this is free for 90 days. Actually, you can try for 90 days. You don't need to pay anything for this. And in case you want to use this feature after 90 days, you just have to make a small amount for yearly, and you can use it. So there is no botheration from our side. If you don't use after 90 days, it will simply not work. That's it. There is no other problem with this actually. So I will recommend or suggest you to at least try it and see how is it going, and is helping you in your daily activities. I'm very sure it will definitely save a lot of time for all of your professional people. So thank you very much. Our number is already mentioned. In case you want to WhatsApp or send SMS or send an email, our email ID is also mentioned in that particular description of this video. So you can talk. You can just put an mobile, and you can call our tech support team. In case you want to talk to me, ask our customer executive that you want to speak to Mr. Sam. Uh, I will be there for any kind of technical support. Thank you very much. Have a great day.